Hi, welcome to my talks vlogs. So today we are doing makeover to my son's room and we are like starting it, and you can see how my son's room is. So this is his room, and as you can see, it is totally dumped over here. All you can see is only clothes and things and all the shabby things which has been dumped here and scattered down on the floor. So this is what we are going to do now. We have to clean the entire room, and I think it is going to be a big task for now. So this is the wardrobe of my daughter, who has always messy wardrobe ever, because instead of taking the cloth, they'll pull. You know, kids, no, they'll pull. So all the clothes will fall, and again they'll just dump it. So this is my son's wardrobe, and you can see these messy clothes. How much ever I fold, it will come back like this only. Anyways, kids are like that and we can't help it. And now I have to get rid of this man, my husband, because he is seriously doing some project of his video project. But actually, if we have to clean the entire room, then obviously we need the entire room to be empty. So this is the middle part, middle wardrobe, and even here, everywhere there is lot and lot of things. Now what we have to do is just take a break and start up with cleaning this entire messy things. So obviously this used to be my daughter's study table, unless I found this. Even banana is inside it. So I don't know how. Actually, whenever I clean, it will be clean for 1 or 2 days, and again back to pavilion, it will be same messy table again. So instead of studying, it has become a storage table now. So these are the things which are under the cot, and even the schools are like that, you know, like they'll for 1 year they taught swimming, so all the swimming things came in. Then in the second year they wanted to teach skating, so all the skating things came in. So this is the thing, like kids are like super active nowadays, and there are lot and lot of things which will dump in their room. So this is how right now, and I don't know what all I have to remove now. So after planning a quick plan how to execute the things, now we are doing the Bahubali work here, pulling over the cord. So obviously it is when we start cleaning, we'll come to know there are so many things in hidden in here, and few are like we want to dispose, and few have some emotional attachments. Just like this is a harmonium, and which is going generation to generation now, because that is the first instrument my in-law has bought, so it is like emotional equipment now, so we have to keep it back after cleaning. So now we have to make space for the things to scatter around and dump it on the bed. So now you can see the entire mountain over the bed because we don't know what to do with the things, so we have just dumped everything on the bed so that one by one we'll sort out and think what to do next for that. And by one we are just trying to clean up from side, inside, outside, everywhere. And you can see all the things dumped on my cot, and even the table is getting cleaned because so much things dusty and spilled things over that we have to scrub it nicely before rearranging it. So finally I am here now to clean the dressing table, though they don't do any dressing or makeup, but still they have lot and lot of things dumped here. And the funny thing is, whatever my things missed in my wardrobes or in my tables will be available here, hidden here, because of my daughter. She picks everything and she keeps for herself. It is like, oh, girls are girls. So now I am just cleaning and rubbing and dusting everything so that it is cleaned, and one by one we can remove these items and clean up the mess. So in between, my husband is like worried why these people are taking so much time, because he doesn't understand like what we are doing, because it takes a lot of time to clean a room and entire day goes in it because he never does it. So now he is worried like what I have to do for my work, because most of his work is done here. His editing table is here, but anyways we are telling him that bhul jao, today you are not going to work here. And he's like, Arey, I had to give my one of important project today. But anyways, he understood that, and now I have to sit and sort each and everything. Kids have lot and lot of things in there, and along with this you can see and you can think like why we have to have so much thing. But still, schools are so many things that we have to buy, and along with that my PTM is going on virally. This is the usage of technology, because I am doing my work as well as I am attending the PTM. So I am doing the dual role here, being a parent and being a housewife. So that is the plus point of technology today, that we can at least manage two things together, two or three things at a time. So now it is a small break for taking bath and preparing or having lunch, because from morning we are cleaning, and you can see how messy the kitchen has become. This is the saddest part, because if we start cleaning one part, the other part will get messy. So right now I am doing this and that, everything. And if you see my bedroom, it has been also scattered, because all the clothes which has to be folded has been dumped into my room now. And that is the thing, we started with one room and all the other rooms became messy now. But still you can see how much we are doing to clean up one room. So much is still pending, and I don't know how much time it is going to take, because it's already afternoon. Nowadays education has become like you have to buy them everything, whatever they ask for. But back in our days we had little things to buy, and so much we used to learn. But nowadays we are buying so many things, but I don't know how much they are used, because most of the things are just kept like that and never be used. But anyways, we can't complain, because that is a system of education going on right now, and we have to buy. And I am tired of doing it, because each and everything has to be sorted and checked. Because last time when I did the cleaning, By miss, I had put the entire set of Xerox copies of my son's notes. So it is like by miss it went inside the Raddi wala papers, and I had to again get it done Xerox. So now I have to be very careful doing this, because each and everything I have to check which is useful, which is not useful, and if I miss even one thing, after this my kids will start complaining that तुमने ये दे दिया है and you have given now that, now we want it again, you have to buy. So one by one I have to check each and everything and think which will be useful, which will not be useful, because I have to make space again for the next thing to keep. So at last, almost by afternoon, mid-afternoon, we are like this much clear, because one by one, we are cleaning, and you can see the gunny bag over there, which I usually keep while cleaning, because I believe we shouldn't just throw it off what is not in use. Actually, what I do is I'll sort out books, pencils, everything, and give it out to my mates. And in between, ये तो party चलती रहती है हमारी. So I got this Coke to cheer up kids who are helping me. So we are just having a bit of relaxing moment here, but still being an umpire here, because both, when you have two kids, it is always like there will be a chance of fight, and they will fight. If you give a bit, one drop more to one person, then the other person will start the war. And anyways, equally giving them his must, but still it is a balance work we have to do between. But anyways, it is a cheering up session type, where we are spending some good time, relaxing time, so that we can do the rest of the work again. Anyways, it is all a part and parcel of the day, and we have to finish this task no matter what. So we are just cheering each other so that we'll get some energy to finish off the other work. So I always admire women, because we have to handle so many things. I'm doing that, have to clean this, I have to cook. No matter we are cleaning or what, there will be always breakfast, lunch, dinner, and tea time. So now I am cleaning up my kitchen, and I have to finish this work also along with that work also. So in between, when kids are taking some break, I am doing this work so that I can cook for the next lunch and dinner. And in between, we'll have some cuddling and caring moment as well, which my daughter enjoys a lot. So even I like to do this. So after that, again, in between, we are watching movies, we are watching video songs, everything going on together. So almost we have come up to this by evening. and we are watching a movie also alongside, because doing only work is very boring, and catching up with kids, like if you tell them to do only the work, they won't get interest, or they'll start telling are kal karenge and all that. So this is the best way. We'll put a movie and we keep watching that and do the rest of the things. In between I forgot to clean this up, so now again I have to remove all this and then I have to sort it. But anyways, it has less content in it, so it is very good, so that we can clean up very soon. So at last by evening we are up to this level, you can see now. So most of the things has been cleared and cleaned up, but still there is lot of work to be finished. But anyway, by late evening my son is cleaning up the entire area, and you can see lot of things has been reduced. And guys, you know, they like their room to be set up very well, so he is doing it by full interest. And he want to clear this area and do some lighting over here, so that it looks bit different. And the meaning of makeover is making something better than what we have. So by night I am helping him out to put his ideas out by putting the lights over there. And the way I am helping is I am putting the plasters on his shorts, so that it will be easy for him to pick it up and paste it around, so the work will be done very soon. And yeah, it is a nice thing to help, and it will be nice to finish it off early. But this is the mess what I am seeing in my room, because all the dumped clothes has to be folded by me, and this is the task of the night. But anyways, I can't run out of this or away from this, so I have to do this. But anyways, and the other side you can see the lighting is done, and you can see how mesmerizing the light is looking. And I am really impressed by the idea of my son, that that area was looking very khali and plain, but now this was the before of that, and now it is looking so good. And we have an idea of taking pictures here, so that it will give a different lighting for all the pictures we click here. So anyways guys, so what you felt about this, and how do you clean your room? Do keep comment and do keep in touch. Thanks for watching guys.